let's talk about a brand new way to freshen our home for the holidays. It's the new limited edition odor eliminator in this frosted amber scent. Now, if you're like me, you've probably never smelled frosted amber. So the best way I can describe this is a warm vanilla with a little bit of earthy cedar spice. So good, so light, and so refreshing. Now, most sprays and candles, they just cover up odors, and many contain those harmful VOCs or even phthalates that can pollute our indoor air, leading to respiratory issues, allergies, sneezing, red, itchy, watery eyes, not only in humans, but also in pets. Our odor eliminator uses a blend of enzymes and probiotics that actually break down odor molecules at the source, which will then leave our home truly fresh. So here's what makes this work. The enzymes and probiotics, they break down and neutralize all of those organic odor-causing molecules so that odors are eliminated, not just covered up. It also has juniper oil, which adds a naturally fresh woodsy note, cedarwood, which is warm and grounding, and it makes it feel cozy, and it's also really long lasting. I also love anything that smells vanilla. So this has vanilla extract and clearwood, which brings a bit of sweetness and depth to the scent, which gives a great holiday vibe. It also has orange oil, which brightens and balances the fragrance overall, keeping it nice and light and fresh instead of heavy. So the result is going to be clean, cozy scents that feel like vanilla and cedarwood by the fire, and it's never going to be overpowering for any of my sensitive people. So here's all the ways you can use it, and there's even more. So kitchens, garbage cans, your disposal bin, pet areas, including pet beds, changing areas, diaper areas, things like that. Your bathroom, laundry. It's even great for towels and sports gear, carpets and upholstery like your couch, maybe where the dog lays, sneakers, gym bags, lockers, so many different places. And this is also safe. It's safe for homes with kids and pets. And here's how to use it. So easy. As a spray, you're just going to dilute it. So you're going to dilute 2 ounces, which is 4 tablespoons in a Forever bottle with water. Give it a little shake before you spray it and just spritz it wherever odors linger or wherever you're tidying up. In the laundry, you're just going to use 1 capful per load for fresh smelling clothes and towels. You can also use this in a carpet shampooer. You're going to mix 1 ounce into 40 ounces of carpet shampoo solution to boost your odor removal. And I use a mix of Norwex products to clean my carpets, and this always goes in it. So I love the enzymes and probiotics. They are powerful tools that eliminate odors versus just masking them. It's a much safer alternative considering some of the aerosol sprays and plugs I used to use. It's multi-purpose and economical. So 1 12-ounce bottle actually makes 6 Forever spray bottles. It's also septic safe. It's free from phthalates, parabens, and synthetic fragrance. I think this makes a good gift as well, and a gift to myself. You can actually grab the odor eliminator as a standalone product, or you can bundle it with the reusable Forever bottle and sprayer as part of the home scent set. So just really nice. And if you want, you can also grab our new bumpers and bands. They're so nice. That way you can actually decorate your bottle a bit in the red or the green, so you'll always know which one you're grabbing. So as you see here, I just wrote on this, I wrote odor eliminator right on that band. So if you're ready to ditch all the chemical heavy sprays and fill your space with a warm, inviting scent while actually getting rid of the odors, this needs to be on your holiday wish list. I'll see you soon. Hope this was helpful.